Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Tuesday, July 10th. Time is 8:37 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, push up overnight. Not too much, but been channeling up. We're down in the oversold area now. Not really strong print, but a little bit of a rise. So I think I'm waiting for a pullback about somewhere between 10 and 13. And I think I want to take this long. Up, a little bit of consolidation, and I think we got more room on the upside, according to stochastics in 30 minutes. So we'll see if we can get into this trade. So no limits or anything set yet. I'll just pull the trigger on the fly. Not much going on level 2. Let's see here. Yep, it's just kind of a waiting game right now. So, all right, guys, I'll be back if and when we get into a trade. All right, see you in a bit. Well, dang, looked like I missed this trade. So, I was waiting for a pullback, and it steadily pushed up, then jumped right here. So, we're still going to wait for a pullback and see if we can get a good feel. I mean, I'm not going to chase it. So, we'll see if we can break on back down. Around to the 8, yeah, somewhere in this area, and hopefully lower and get in, but we'll see if we can grab it. All right, be back. Okay, guys, we're going to give this a shot here. Just hop this long, 74.24, right here. Let's pull half off at 34. Let me get all that set up real quick. Let's see here. It's going to be a fairly tight stop. 19. 5-tick stop. So, not very confident in this trade. But, we was getting a bit of a hang up right there off 24. Just a second. Stop. All right. Let's see what we can do here. All right, be back in just a bit. Okay, I went ahead and pulled half off at 30 for 6 ticks, and I'm gonna leave my stop at 19. So we'll be close to scratch if it comes back down. But again, wasn't very confident in this trade, so I just want to pull a little bit of profit off. And if we keep on pushing up, then good. If we come on back down, we can reanalyze, and ideally I'd still like to pull back to the 8-period average. All right, be back. Okay, that was a neat break up there. Took one off at 44 for 20 ticks. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop to break even. This actually look like it's about to turn around. Let's see here. Do I want to get shorts? Wow, that is decent volume. All right, let me tighten up. 34 is going to be my stop. That's going to lock in 10 ticks. And then we'll make a decision if we want to get short. A lot of action starting to pop in here. Not a reversal sequence, but we are at high of the day and testing the 5 deviation level. All right, area of indecision, but we're going to stay in this long for just a bit. All right, let me set a pill point for 54. That will be for 30 ticks. And stop is at 34 to lock in 10 ticks right now. All right, I'll be back in just a bit. Okay, guys, got stopped out here at 34. Back over right here. The Bears are pushing, but look like the Bulls are holding fairly strong. So I'm going to sit on the sidelines and kind of watch this for just a bit. So VWAP's at 27 right now, which is fairly close to the 8-period average here. So we might actually try to get back long off of this area and make a decision as far as, or hopefully see what happens as far as with this fight going on between bulls and bears right now. So a lot of volume at the beginning point of 29. So I think it's a fairly safe trade as this looks like decent support right now. So I'll make a decision if we get when I see price action at that point. All right, I'll be back. All right, pulled the trigger long at 31. Just keep bouncing right here and here. So I got filled at 31. I look to pull half off at 41. And stop. Let's see. 21. Yeah, stop's going to be at 21, full 10 ticks right now. Look like I can hide behind this cluster of aggressive buyers. And hopefully I can move that up soon. Let's see here. Alright guys, we're in. Let's see what happens. I'll be back. Alright, I'm going to move my stop up a little bit. 25. It's going to be a 6-tick stop. Look to pull half off still at 41 for 10 ticks. I figure if it gets down here, it's going to break on through. So might as well not give too much of it if that is the case. I still like the area though. So, kind of a tough call. But we'll see what happens. It's trading. All right, I'll be back. Okay, there's that jump I've been waiting for. Half off at 41. I am going to bring my stop up to 28. It's going to be a 3-tick stop. And I will set a pill point for 51. Yeah, 51 for 20 ticks. Alright guys, not looking too bad right now. Alright, we'll see what happens. I'll be back. Alright, big jump. One off at, actually came off at 52. That is for 21 ticks. Man, that happened quick. So, let me set one up for 61. Oops, okay, that just came off. 61 is off. 71, let me set that up. Okay, 61, that is for 30 ticks. 71's for 40. 3 contracts long, 30 or 74, 31. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop to break even at this point. Oh, reversal sequence setting up there. Pretty strong one too. Okay, let me tighten up quite a bit. 31, 41. Alright, stop's coming up to 41 to lock in 10 ticks. And this is going to be my last trade, guys. Let's see here. 59, 69, 7. Alright, 7 deviation line. Looks like we're a bunch of yep, that's a big old eye zone right there. So, let's see if we can, how far back it is. Up right here. July 3rd. Okay, we might have a little bit of room on the upside, but sequence here, we're probably going to turn around to 7 though. So, where? Okay. 62. We might got a little more up room, hopefully. So we'll see. 10,000 orders. I doubt it though. So, yeah, this is looking like a possible turn area. But we're going to hang on to it as long as we can. All right, guys, 3 contracts long, 74.31. Stop sitting at 41, lock in 10 ticks. Next pill point is at 71 for 40 ticks. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, I sold one more at 61 for 30 ticks. I really think this area is probably going to turn, so want to minimize the loss as much as possible. 2 contracts long. I still got looking to pull one off at 71. And then I will adjust my stop accordingly if we can get up there. See if we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. 68 is the beginning of 9 and 19. 71 fits into there nicely. And looking back to July 5th. That's that wick area. So should act as some type of resistance in there. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, guys, look like the bears are starting to load up now. Move my stop up to 46. That will lock in 15 ticks. And still one to come off at 71. Doubt if it gets there now. So we're in the 9 and 19 threshold. So now we're just waiting it out and see what happens. All right, I'll be back in just a bit. All right, guys, got stopped out here at 46. So that is a wrap for me. Few ticks a day. I forgot 20, 30, somewhere in there. All right, have a good one. And I'm at the garden tomorrow, so I won't be trading. I think it's EIA that day, so be careful if you guys trade it. And we'll see you probably Thursday. All right, have a good one. Bye.